It's an old desktop processor or CPU. I wonder what's inside of it, so let's open it up. A processor is an integrated electronic circuit that performs the calculations that run a computer. A processor performs arithmetical, logical, input-output, and other basic instructions that are passed from an operating system. Their purpose is to receive input in the form of program instructions and execute trillions of calculations to provide the output that the user will interface with. Processors are found in many modern electronic devices, including PCs, smartphones, tablets, and other handheld devices.